Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex Ray, and this is my old man. He doesn't really say much.
Don't say much.
It's my dad, Roberto. We got a cool video today because I got two very, very rare. He doesn't want to hear that because he knows rare equals
But I still had to
money.
pay. But I still had to pay for the duty.
Oh, well, sucks to suck, man. Well, anyways, when he hears the word rare, especially my mom, they know that things cost money. But we got one life, we got to make the most of it. So you don't know what's inside these. I do. So we're going to unbox these together and you will all enjoy. Any ideas what these are? No. Is it car parts or
Clothes?
Clothes. But it has to deal with cars because this is for my YouTube channel.
Yeah, it must be like a jacket or something, or a hoodie. Or something.
Oh, okay. Well, you're going to open this and I got this one. While you're opening that, this one right here is from my very good friend, Chris Ortez. He is the owner of JDM Cane Lab. He's someone that I've actually bought a lot of stuff from over the years. A lot of my rare ARC parts that you've seen on Project Gabby, my Subaru, Project Sky, my BMW M3, have been because of him. So shout out to you, Chris. Thank you for always kind of having my back and finding me these very, very rare and unobtainable parts in the world, that parts and possibly clothes. I don't know. This one right here is from Ali. So this one, Chris's came from California. Ali's is coming from Saudi Arabia. And before you open that, shout out to Ali. Ali runs an Instagram page as well. His channel or his page is Skyline_racing_rarity, I believe. So I'll make sure to give him a shout out and I'll put his link over here. He also sells a lot of very rare and unique Japanese and collectibles and memorabilia and rare parts.
Is it a Pokemon?
It could be a Pokemon, but you're going to open that from Chris, and I'm going to open up this from Ali. I couldn't have done this without you guys. These two things right here. Hold on, Dad. Hold on. These two things right here are some of the rarest things that you're ever going to see in the world. These actually were created, I think, back in the late 80s, early 90s. And in an effort to have some more cool time with my dad, we're going to be doing some cool stuff. I got my dad a nice Rolex bag. Actually, give me 1 second. Stop. Keep recording.
I'm not stopping.
Okay. In an effort to be more matching with my dad and have cool memories, poor guy's getting old. He's in his 60s. So I want to have cool memories with my dad. And so him and I kind of want to do this cool theme moving forward in life and just capturing cool memories together. My dad, as you know, has joined me twice now for some road trips to the US. We've gone to MPAC together, which has been really cool. And so
Week Fest, don't forget the Week Fest, man.
Well, yeah, Week Fest as well. We did that once, but we've gone MPAC twice in a row.
Twice.
Twice.
No, we went to Week Fest twice.
No.
Yeah, we did.
We did Impact. We did. No. We did that a long time ago.
Twice, man.
That was actually Tuner Evolution.
Oh, okay.
Poor guy doesn't remember, but so I got
All
my
the same
dad.
to me.
I got my dad this beautiful Rolex bag, and I got one too, so we can be matching. But this right here, this will be another way that we're matching. So I hope you like it. This is like super, super hard to find.
It's a Pokemon.
No. We're gonna open it at the same time. Hold on, I gotta take off my sport jacket because I'm working. I'm taking a break right now to do this because I gotta go. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh no! Don't look! Look at me! I didn't know. Ali, shout out to you. You package this well. Chris, bad. You lose a brownie point there. Okay, don't look at that, Dad. Okay, I better not put a hole through this, whatever's inside here. Okay.
I can look at the card, though.
Oh, yeah, open the card. I actually don't know what that's all about. Maybe Chris gave a sticker. Did Chris make up for the lack of packaging with stickers? I think so.
He did.
Yeah, show the camera, Dad. Shout out to Chris. Chris, He's an avid book collector. I like books. He used to post a lot more books on his Instagram back in the day, but he's given me so many good book recommendations. And of course he has some of the rarest parts in his business that he sells. So yeah, go make sure to support him. Man, I suck at this, Dad. Okay. Oh, I got it here. Okay, you ready? Hold on. I got it here. Ready? Put this on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Oh, turn it over. Show the camera. Endless with ARC matching jackets. How cool is that?
Not matching jacket.
Show the zoom in.
One's a zipper, one's not a zipper.
Well, I don't want to be exactly matching. Why do you think we have the 2 different Rolex bags?
Then why did you say it was matching?
Yeah, because it's kind of matching. So this one right here, shout out again to you, Ali. This I believe was the original one. This is more of a mechanic's jacket, so it's a button up, it's a bomber jacket, which is pretty cool. And very rare, those of you that know, ARC, Abbey Road Company, paired up with Endless, the brake company, to do a collaborative product line where they have brakes as well as some collectible gear. So these jackets are practically impossible to find. And so
if you know, you know.
This was, yeah, if you know, you know. Because if you see this on the road, if you just want to shovel the outside and people see this jacket, they're not going to know what it is. But the real people that know, they will know that these are incredibly hard to find. Incredibly hard to find. Like the last time these were probably ever on the market was well over.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Well over. We got to put it on. Hold on, we got to put it on. So this is that one. Obviously these are used. But like, look how beautiful the stitching is on these. Oh, and this is actually suede, like a velvet suede. Feel that? Yeah, that's all you're gonna feel. Feel it, man. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so I don't know. You got the bomber one, which is from Chris. Again, shout out to you, Chris. Turn around. That's a beautiful jacket. Really nice. And then this is this is more of like a fun. You know, it's a bit more younger and hip. This is more of a mechanic jacket. So either I'm going to the gym or I'm getting too fat. But
you're gonna have this one. I can have that one.
Yeah, I think. No, hold on. Zip it up. Put this on. This is nice. There we go. Keep that hand low, not too low. Cool, eh? And then let's just quickly change the jackets because I want to put that one on. What do you think? Give the camera your thoughts. Is this a nice surprise for you? You had no idea.
No.
You don't want to know how much I paid for these.
I thought it was a Pokemon.
You don't want to know how much I paid for these, old man, but life's too short. Like I said, man, a few words. Zoom in. Which one do you like better? Oh, this one's definitely bigger and baggier. So again, that's from Ali. This one's from Button Up. This one I'm wearing right now is from Chris. And now again, I have no intention to sell these. Like this is for us. This is now in my collection, our collection. Yeah? Which one do you like more? Which one do you like more? You like this one more? Yeah? So why don't you tell the camera what is coming up on February 24th? I got a video coming up.
Yeah, you got a new detailing video that I hope you all enjoy. It's been quite a road for Alex. He's been doing this for probably about 10, 12 years.
Yeah.
Now, so hopefully you enjoy.
Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing in this first video that's coming out on February 24th, I'm going to be sharing kind of like a detailing masterclass as to the do's and don'ts of detailing. And then we have a cinematic flair at the end where you'll see me and a friend of mine washing my car, my E92 M3 Project Luna. After that, every month I'll be dropping detailing videos with some of the coolest cars of my friends in their collections in the Toronto area. of very high-end cinematic Steven Spielberg-esque kind of videos. You've seen a couple of them. How good are they?
They're getting better and better.
They're getting better and better. I hired my buddy Justin to do the filming, so and again, I will be directing it and co-directing it with Justin, but they're extremely cinematic, only the best jazz music in the videos. Hopefully you enjoy it. Make sure to like and comment, and what do they gotta do, Dad? Subscribe.
Subscribe.
The man of few words.
I live a life pretty similar to yours. Used to go to school, hang with friends and play sports. Every single summer taking trips to the shore. And that was all gravy, but I knew I wanted more. Ain't ever seen a young rapper like one. Can't believe me, I swear it's just a mirage. Still got my training wheels in the garage, but I ain't gonna need those, I'ma go hard. So far, I've done pretty well for myself. Couple trophies on the shelf, so what else could